too sweet.
What? Hey, Captain.
Hello?
So,
You're a real person?
I've been working for you for 10 years! You've never noticed me?
You see the raven, right?
Of course I
You
see.
hear the raven?
Maybe.
It whispers sweet nothings to you. Like, you are nothing, you will be nothing, your pirating is nothing.
Okay, it's getting kind of dark in here. I don't know what all that was about. I just came to see if you were okay. Maybe you need to be relieved of your responsibilities and stay out here in the sun, in the hot beating sun, for a couple more hours. That ought to cure what ails you.
Vitamin D is good.
Yeah, vitamin D, and I got these leeches too.
Just like Mother used to use.
Yeah. Nothing a good bloodletting can't cure. You'll be bright as new.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course, you know I'm always here for you.
You are?
Of course.
Well, I'm in need of captaining since I'm tied to this mast.
Oh, I couldn't possibly take over for you. Not until I put on my wig and my new shoes and my nose and, it was short notice. I didn't have all that stuff here. I wasn't totally waiting for you to lose your mind or anything. I mean, you are getting up there. Your AARP card just came in the mail. It wasn't going to last forever. Don't you want to take a break?
I want to retire.
Yes, doesn't retirement look nice?
It is looking better every day.
You ate dinner at 3 p.m.
All you have to do is let the crew know you're relinquishing your duties.
Yeah, just tell them that I'm the new captain now.
I know. The first mate always tells the crew everything. I'll get her out here. First matey person!
Hey, Carol!
Captain! Don't let them take your boat.
Oh, we can't take something that was given to us by his own free will.
Okay, Captain, I'm cutting you loose. Hey.
I said don't.
No, you want to. You're in charge.
Oh, no, remember what you told us? Tell him what he said.
We're gonna take your boat.
No, not that. Oh,
The clowns. We're gonna take your boat.
Don't let them take your boat.
it's too late for that now. You're outnumbered.
Don't take my boat. I want to captain. I want to sail this last time. Don't take this boat. I think the leeches are working. I'm feeling a little fine.
We're gonna take your boat. We think it's something kind. We're gonna take your boat, 'cause you're out of your freaking mind. We're gonna take your boat.
No.
Don't take my boat because my first mate can handle anything that I cannot. Okay, that's a lot of balls at once. Don't take my boat.
Take the boat.
Thanks.
Don't take my boat. Don't take my boat. Don't take my boat.
We're gonna take.
What's that in the water? Oh no, it's coming closer. I think it's gonna hit us.
No. Captain, it's a rock. Just steer away from it. Come over here. You are the captain of this boat.
Hard right.
Oh!
I know another one. Hard left. I should be using.
Port and starboard, sir.
Thank you very much. You're now my second mate. Wait, what's that? Who's in the crow's nest? Put the raven in the crow's nest.
Up you go!
Is that an island?
Yes, Captain, I think it is.
I think it's the island from the scroll.
It looks more populated. It looks like it has a hotel and people on the beach.
I don't see a kraken, sir.
No, but I do see drinks.